Hello lettering friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. This video is a little different. I just wanted to share something cool about Karin Markers with you. They changed the names of two of their colors, and I am going to explain why. If you've seen my original review of Karin Markers from over a year ago, you saw me go through all of the colors, and these two colors, Skin 1 and Skin 2, I said I thought they were weird because not everyone has the same skin color. However, I didn't do anything about it. I know better now because with the recent events in the US, I've been doing a lot of research and learning about racism, and I know that things that seem simple, something like the name of a color, can really add up. Now that I know better, I am going to do better. So I emailed Karin Markers, and when they responded, I was reminded of the good in the world. They said that several people had already reached out about it, and I thought, yes, people are standing up for this. And they said they care about world events, so they already had changed the colors to Soft Peach 1 and 2. I knew when I reached out that they wouldn't hesitate to change the colors. I feel like they do really well at listening to their customers. They didn't announce this, so I hope they're okay with me sharing about it. I just thought, even though it's something small, it's one tiny win in this fight against racism. Before they responded with the new color names, I was brainstorming with my sister what these colors should be called, and it was super fun, but these colors were kind of tricky to me. I would love to hear your thoughts of what these colors should be called. Of course, they already have new names, so we're not naming them here, but it's still fun to think about. Tell me your ideas in the comments. I was thinking coral, peach, apricot, salmon, or even something like cotton candy or sunset. There's lots of really fun ones. Naming colors would be so fun. Whoever is in charge of that probably has a really fun job. If you buy Karin Markers in the future, these colors will be Soft Peach 1 and Soft Peach 2. I decided I would change the names on my markers. I'm showing you how I did it in case you want to change yours too. First, I started trying to paint over it, but it wouldn't stick. Then I tried washi tape and it was transparent, so then I used my sticker sheet. Side note, these stickers are from the Allison Show of Awesome with Allison podcast. That sticker covered it, and I just used a permanent pen to write Soft Peach 1 and 2, and now I'm super happy that these colors have the correct names. I would love to hear if you change your colors too. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you being here. I will see you next time.